The book I'd like to use is A Dozen a Day from Book 2 by Burnam. The series is a really useful exercise for all levels. And I'd like to pick up some pieces and would like to explain about the point of each piece. I'm hoping your technique will improve with this video and apply the technique into Cherny, Moskovsky, or Chopin Debussy. Thank you. Let's see how the fingers move. Make sure you have the same figure when you play white keys and black keys. Your fingers are curving. Your left hand is the same. Make sure your fingers are curving and having same figure when you play white keys and black keys. Right hand. Hold two notes with 3 and 4 for 5 measures. You move 1, 2, 5 individually. Make sure your fingers are curving. Left hand. Hold two notes with your 2 and 3 and move 5, 4, 1 flexibly. This is a good exercise to lift up your number 4 finger. Let's see when you play with your 1 and 4 with your right hand. Make sure you're having all figure and having X too. When you are coming back, it is the same. The point is, when you play with your 1 and 3 with your right hand, think number 1 as your pivot and move 3 flexibly. See how your thumb is curving inside. The point is how you move your thumb. Let's see from right hand. So keep 2 and 3 straight down and think how you move your thumb flexibly. Left hand. Move thumb flexibly and stay 2 and 3 straight down at the same place. You hold two notes with 2 and 4 and move 1, 3, 5 individually. The point is when you play black key with your 3. Make sure your number 4 is curving. Left hand. Left hand is the same. Hold 2 notes and move 1, 3, 5 individually. Right hand. Hold 2 notes with 4 and 5. And be flexible with your 1 and 2. Make sure your number 4 is curving. And left hand, same. Be flexible with your thumb. This is a practice of how you relax with your arms. Relax and drop. Relax and drop. Relax and drop. This is the practice of the scales. Try this page if possible every day.